How to use a free hit on Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use a free hit on Fantasy Premier League. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first, open up your Premier League app. You can also use the website and just log in into your account. Then you'll need to navigate to the transfers page. For that, head over to the fantasy section and then tap on transfers. After you've done that, now you will need to make your transfers. So make your desired transfers. So let's say I'm transferring this. Now I'll select a replacement. So let's say just this one. Then when I tap on next, I will, before confirming, I will see an option that says play free hit. Now, if you don't see the option, that's completely all right. You can, again, sometimes you will see it, sometimes you will not. But if you see an option, just tap on it and confirm to activate the chip. So after you confirm to activate the chip, you're basically done. You have used your free hit on Fantasy Premier League. Just confirm this now and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.